What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and tutorial of the Let's Get Checked at Home COVID-19 test. Now, you can find the link for this kit in the description below, but it's important to note that it retails for about $120. I wanted to make this tutorial for educational purposes so that people know what to expect with this product. I found this kit interesting because it's not only an at-home test. This kit can also be mailed through UPS in biological substance category B packaging. I think this is simply amazing considering how harmful COVID-19 can be to an individual coming into contact with this packaging if it's not packaged properly. I also find this an example of our modern times where we perform more tasks like this remotely. Normally you would go to a doctor's office or maybe an urgent care to get something like this done, and you can do it in the comfort of your home. Now, there may be several reasons why you're watching this video. One may be you may think you've been compromised in regards to COVID-19 and you want to be proactive so you can protect yourself and others. Another may be you have to prove you don't have COVID-19 by providing a negative test result to protect others. One other reason may be that you just want to know how this product works. That being said, there may be other reasons besides these. That being said, I want to say thank you for protecting us all by doing your part, and I hope you find this content helpful. As always, I only feature products or services I buy or would like to buy. This gives the channel more credibility and appeal because we feature items that interest me and change the way we live. Don't have time to watch the whole video? We're now a podcast you can find on multiple platforms by searching for Pixels Cracked. You can also support the podcast by making a small monthly donation. And if you are listening to this on a podcast, you can find the YouTube channel by searching for Pixels Cracked as well. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. Contents include the test box, welcome sleeve, sample tracking code card, directions on how to collect your sample and return it via UPS, biohazard bag, multi-test swab and sample transport tube, and UPS next day air biological substance category B packaging. So let's talk about how the kit works. Before we get started, it's important to note you must be over the age of 18 to use this sample collection kit. You'll also want to take your sample the same day it can be shipped. That being said, you want to avoid taking the test on a Saturday or Sunday as shipping services are inoperable these days. I'll also be using the test box as a tray to hopefully keep the contents clean. Next, you'll want to fill in your details on your biohazard bag. After, you'll collect your sample using the nasal sample instructions. This starts with washing your hands thoroughly. Then we'll want to unscrew the lid off the transport tube and place on a flat surface. After, we'll peel the nasal swab packaging partially and remove the swab from the packet. Now, this is the part where you insert the swab into a nostril and rotate it around for 10 seconds. Then you will repeat this process for the other nostril. Both are required for this test. The swab can then be inserted in the sample transport tube and then broken off at the line. We can now place the cap back on the sample transport tube. We'll then want to seal the sample transport tube in the biohazard bag. After, we'll place the biohazard bag in the test box. Finally, we can wash our hands one last time, and then we can place the test box in the return envelope. We can then send the test back immediately with UPS next day air to California. Now, you don't have to pay for the shipping because the shipping is included. So let's talk results. So I dropped my kit in a UPS box on a Monday night. The next day I received an email stating my results were being processed. Now, processing can take anywhere between 24 and 72 hours. You can also log into the Let's Get Checked website to see the status of your results. Once processing is complete, you'll get a text from Let's Get Checked that lets you know that an email was sent to the address on file. Now, this email is titled Nurse Team, and it just lets you know that you can view your results on the Let's Get Checked website. On the website, you can either screenshot your results or download all your result data. Now, for those who are interested, I did test negative, which means that I don't have the coronavirus. So, final thoughts. The Let's Get Checked at-home COVID-19 test is a great way to get tested without risking exposure to others at a medical facility. Now, my only concerns are a false negative result if the test wasn't taken properly and the risk of exposure to others if the test kit wasn't handled properly. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel and podcast. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or I would like to buy, and anything that you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support us is just by sharing this video or podcast with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe or follow button. Now, liking and subscribing are important. Those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the podcast. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. When new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they think that the content is helpful, worth watching and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You